So today I'm gonna show you a pretty cool technique that you can use to make some cool tunes, to get some inspirations, to learn new music production techniques and elements and song structure and type of thing. Let me go into settings first, because this is crazy. This is crazy. Ooh, check this out. If I bump up the color intensity, which is like a blue kind of hue. Ooh, that skin looks insane. Wow, oh, that's nice. That's like that's a My Horrible 70s kitchen from AbletonThemes.com. So the thing is that you take a reference track and you build a track based on the track. Like, for example, what do we want to do? Okay, let's take this one. This is like super mind-blowing tune. Okay, so the first step is gonna be find a reference track. Copy strike, there we go. I can't wait. So now we're gonna go and find a beat, because we have to lock this into a tempo. You can find a tempo on the internet. Sometimes the song will have some space at the beginning and you will not be able to position the song perfectly to the grid. So there we go. We have a kick here. Make sure this is starting there. So we are gonna go down. It's gonna be 96, 97. So after you lock into the tempo, you go further into the song and make sure that this is actually aligned later. Because if you don't align it properly at the beginning, the song later will be really offset. Now put this kind of like here and then just do that. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start from this part and we're gonna go and pick some cool kicks for the beat. So here's the deal. You don't have to make the same type of sounds. The idea is to make different sounds so the song is not similar but has similar structure or like the same structure. But I want to make kind of like a beat. So let's take a kick that is like a more trappy one. So I'm just gonna turn this off and just position the kick along with the kick from the reference track. This is really interesting rhythm. So we have pretty unusual rhythm. What is really cool about this is that you're learning new structure techniques. So the ones that you already know, like a boots and cats type of beat, you learn something different that is less common and that's more outside the box. And you start learning new ideas now that are being saved, well, in your brain. And then when you're making your own track, these ideas will pop up. So the more you know, right? The more more techniques and things you know, the more ideas you will be able to get out of your head while making your own tune, and more interesting your song will be. That is really great technique. Different people will come up with different things, and you can collect all these ideas into your own head and then use these ideas in your own tracks. So the sample pack I'm using is called Black Hole. If you want to get it, the link should be in the description, because I don't know where this video will be posted. We have a clap here. That's cool. Oof, this is insane. So now we have to make something like that. It's gonna be really fun. Okay, so how do we do this? Let's make a really long note. I'm gonna do the looping. Turn off the snap. Turn on loop. So that's one thing. I guess we can group that and add a new chain with the white noise. Yeah, this one is cool. Put the white noise here, turn on the loop, bump up the volume. So this one is in the left channel. There's like a hi-hat as well here. So we're gonna do the same thing, unsnap, loop. So that's one of the things that Flume does, I guess. He just modulates the length of the loop section. So I guess we can add some things like thermal at the end. Also add an EQ onto this white noise. I think we have to add a reverb on this clap. And I guess just do the same to this hi-hat. Okay, now this is more beefy. Let's try also an EQ. It's similar, it's not the same. We are not going for the same. So as you can see, the kicks are not really aligned with the grid. They're like a little bit off the grid, which gives that really cool swing to the track. And then we have a percussion loop. This one is kind of cool. Damn, this swing is so cool. Now on open hi-hat. Then we have to add a clap here, a different one. Also, we are looking for hi-hat. Now it sounds the same. Okay, so the hi-hat in the track. The hi-hat in a track is having a volume automation. We kind of want to do the same. So let's try LFO. No, let's try LFO tool. Yeah. We have some groove and kind of deal. We can also add a filter cutoff. Oh, that's cool. Okay, let's add a different clap. Okay, let's put this maybe here. What else do we have here? Some sounds. Now, how do we make? Yeah, we should make a melody loop. So let's put the 808 to play along with the kick. There are also breaks. Okay, I don't like this flute anymore.
Oh yeah.
This is loud. Oh wait, this is what it sounds like. Okay, so we have a lot of work to do with this sound. Pitch bending 12. Yeah. So now we have to kind of make this beefy. How about disperser? Let's add thermal on this. I don't like this clap. Okay, so that's the whole thing for now. You get the idea, just sort of like copying elements, but not really, just getting inspired by the ideas of someone else. Okay, this, and we didn't sidechain anything because it's like a beat And a lot of things are being offset, so not really sidechaining is sometimes not necessary because this sound is being offset. The 808 is not being offset, but we can do so. But anyways, we have some sounds that have to be sidechained anyway, so I'm gonna do a sidechain compression this time. Just a bit. Cool, this can be used like a part of the song then. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. Have a nice day and see you in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can sidechain that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.